Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Let's take a look at PMC-Sierra, which has been acquired. Take a look at the stock, because those of you who didn't trade the late 90s, this was a powerhouse. So let's go to the chart so we can save these charts for a template for what moves stock. So this is a current 2-year weekly. What is of interest, if you take a look at the long-term monthly view for this stock, take a look at this period here in late 99, early 2000, and also this nice period here in 95, 96. So we want to save this so that we can at least have a template for how the stock traded when it was on fire in the 90s. And so let's take a look at what it looked like, a closer look at the 90s action. And here we have the action for PMC-Sierra between 91 and 96. The key here is take a look at this nice blast that the stock recorded in 1994, moving from split adjusted price of $1 all the way to about $7. And we can see that that move began when the RSI and the MACDs did confirm the ultimate Muathe breakout, as you can see here, moving to fresh all-time highs. We can see that the main MACD also moved to fresh. So we're talking about this buy zone here, which met the ultimate Muathe breakout. The other MACD was also moving above zero, and hence we can see that that move that began somewhere here in mid 94, and the stock went on a nice run because it melted the ultimate Muathe breakout, which I should have a link in the description. So that was one of the reasons why it did well in 94, 95, going into 96. And I would like to point out, take a look at this period where the stock was trading in 95, trading above 69.1. Hence the reason why it moved during this period from about $2 all the way to $7 as the RSI stayed above 69.1. Now if you take a look at the period going into 2003, we can see that the stock eventually would test on pullbacks, test the 50 monthly RSI level, which held with uniform activity support there. So that was a re-entry in 96, and also there was another test of the 50 level, which was sometime in let's call it about October, November of 98. The stock held and would go on to move its monthly RSI back above 69.1. Some point here in early 1999, the stock would go on to record a run as it maintained its monthly RSI above 69.1 throughout the period, where it held from about the mid-teens all the way to $240. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Good luck, peace, and blessings. Woo!